Today we are doing experiment number 9 of our first semester. Aim of the experiment is you are given 0.1 normal potassium dichromate solution. Determine the strength of given X normal ferrous sulphate solution in terms of normality and grams per liter. So from the aim you can clearly see that potassium dichromate is our known solution and ferrous sulphate is our unknown solution. So with the help of potassium dichromate solution, we have to find the normality of ferrous sulphate solution and also we have to find its strength in grams per liter. Now we will see the requirements for this practical. For this practical we need burette, it is of 25 ml. Then we need a conical flask, 2 beakers, pipette, it is of 10 ml. Then we need funnel, burette stand and a white tile. Before starting the practical, you have to wash all the apparatus with water. Then you will rinse the burette with potassium dichromate solution. And you have to rinse the pipette with ferrous sulphate solution. Then we will fill the burette with potassium dichromate solution. As you can see, potassium dichromate is a colored solution, so we will set the 0 at the upper meniscus. We will pipette out 10 ml of ferrous sulphate with the help of pipette. Then we will transfer this into a conical flask. Then we will add 1 test tube of dilute sulfuric acid into the conical flask. And then we will add half test tube of H3PO4 into it. Add diphenylamine, which will act as an indicator in this titration to this mixture in the conical flask. Before starting the titration, the color of the solution is light green. At the end point it will turn to bluish violet. Now we will start the titration. We will start adding potassium dichromate into the conical flask, drop by drop, while continuous stirring. you can see the end point. At the end point, the color changes to bluish violet. So this is the end point of this titration. You can see the burette reading. It is 9.2. After taking the burette reading, we will fill the observation table. Then we will do the calculation. We will use the same formula, N1 V1 is equals to N2 V2, and here N1 is normality of potassium dichromate, 0.01 normal. V1 is volume of potassium dichromate, that is B dot R means burette reading. Here our burette reading is, that is our constant, 9.2 ml, and N2 is normality of FeSO4, which is X normal, that we will find after this calculation. V2 is volume of FeSO4, that is 10 ml, and then we got the answer as 0.092 normal, that is normality of given FeSO4 is 0.092 normal. Then we will find the strength of the solution. For this we will use the same formula, normality multiplied by equivalent weight. Here we will put the equivalent weight of FeSO4, which is 278. So we found that 25.576 grams of FeSO4 has been dissolved in 1 liter of solution, which is given to us. Then we will write the result. In the solution name you will write FeSO4, normality is 0.092 normal, grams per liter is 25.576 grams. So we have finished our experiment number 9.